Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $1 every 30 seconds watching short videos. Now, before I get into this method, I need you to do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about this video. Now please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay guys, I'm at this website. The name of this website is Paid Work. So on this website, you're going to make money online with your phone, computer, or tablet, and you're going to get paid wherever you are without any investment. Now turn your time into profit. So paid work is a full-time or additional work for all people from every country. You can earn money on any device with access to the internet wherever you are. You will get paid for your time spent and engagement on this platform. Now, it also says here you can choose how you want to earn money by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and creating accounts. So they have several different ways you can make money on this site, not just watching videos. Collect profits. By following simple instructions, in just a month you can earn up to $150 without any additional taxes or charges. However, there is a limit of your earnings. You decide how much you earn. Now, how can paid work help you? So it can increase your earnings wherever you are. Doesn't matter if it's on the bus, work, school. And you get to set goals, so focus on what you are good at and what works best for you. Now, the next thing I want to show you guys is the referral program. So that's another way you can make some money on this site. So you can invite people and earn with the referral program. So all you do is create a link. So once you sign up and go to your account, it'll show you how to create a link. And then you start recommending. So once you recommend somebody and they sign up and get an account, you can get rewarded up to $10, guys. Now here's the best ways to get people to click on your link. So you can use Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp and Messenger, Twitter, and Reddit. Now they also tell you on here how to do it. So you might want to check this out once you come to this site. Now I want to show you one other thing, methods of earning. So again, you can make money on here playing games, filling out surveys, watching videos, online shopping, and again, referral program. So on the watching videos, you're going to gain profit by watching short 30-second videos based on your interests. You can watch various ads depending on your personal preference. To earn points, you must watch the full video. Otherwise, you will not be able to collect any profit. If the monetization is interrupted, you will be able to watch the video once again. So guys, It's only 30-second videos. Please watch the whole thing so you can get paid. So this is very, very simple, guys. Very, very easy. Okay, guys. It's really self-explanatory on this site, guys. You just watch videos, watch 30-second videos, get paid. And if you want to get paid other ways, you can do surveys, play games. So, if you're ready to get started on this site, go ahead and go to paidwork.com, sign up, and get this money. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, thanks again for tuning in. Road to 8,000. Let's go. Let's get it. And on that note, get your grind on because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.